forging a stronger Saudi with bull machines in motion. Introducing SATC Machinery, Bull's trusted partner since 2022. SATC leads with unmatched performance across sectors. Our commitment speaks through our dealers.
I am the dealer of all machine in Saudi Arabia. It's called Static Machinery. We are very happy to deal with them. Since 2022, we start our relationship. Within 3 years, we already sold more than 800 units, and we are very happy for that. And we very thanks for Mr. Malik and Mr. Bargish, what they offer to us from the strong point of aftermarket is working 24/7. We are happy, and our customer happy of that, and inshallah is coming for more and more success together.
This is Mohammed Kamran, working in Static Machinery as a logistic manager in Saudi Arabia. We have very good feedback from the market. We are happy, and our customers are also very happy for the bull machine.
Driven by leadership, focused on future growth.